Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Telegram group with different topics. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up organized, easy-to-navigate spaces for all your group's conversations. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by all those messages piling up in your chat, or wish there was a simple way to keep discussion about different things tidy and accessible, this tutorial is just what you need. We'll use both the Telegram desktop app and the web version to unlock all the features you need. So let's dive right in. First, open up Telegram on your desktop computer, or you can also use the web app. It's totally your choice here, as both will work for this step. Once you have Telegram open, navigate over to your group chat. If you have a lot of groups, you might want to use the search bar up top. Just type in the group's name so you can jump straight into the right place. Now at the top of your group chat, you'll see the group name. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the group information panel. Think of this as the group's control center. Anything you need to change or customize about the group happens here. Look in the upper right corner for the pencil icon labeled Edit. Give that a click. If you're ever unsure where something is, just hover your mouse around and little tooltips will pop up to guide you. Inside the group settings menu, you'll want to look for an option called Topics. Sometimes it might be under a section named Group Management, so don't worry if it takes a second to find. It can be easy to overlook. Once you spot the Topics option, toggle it on. This is a pretty big moment. Enabling Topics will instantly convert your regular group into what Telegram calls a supergroup. That just means you get access to more advanced features, including the ability to organize discussions by topic. One thing to note, all the existing messages in your group will get moved into a default topic called General, so you won't lose anything. Telegram just helps clean things up for you. Now, here's something important to remember. While you can turn topics on in the desktop or web app, creating brand new topics actually has to be done in the web version of Telegram. So if you're not already using Telegram Web, open up your browser and head over to webtelegram.org, then log into your account. Once you're in your group chat on Telegram Web, you'll notice a new side panel for topics along the right side or on smaller screens, maybe at the top. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Create New Topic button. A little window will pop up asking you to enter a title for your new topic, like announcements, project ideas, or casual chat. You can also choose an icon or a color if you want to make the topic stand out, which I recommend because it helps people quickly spot what they're looking for. Give your topic a name that's short but clear. When you're done, hit Create. Just like that, your new topic appears in the list. If you have lots of different subjects your group likes to talk about, just repeat this process to make as many topics as you need. For example, in a class group, you could have homework, events, and memes all in their own space. And that's it. Take a moment to let your group members know about the new topics so everyone can start using them right away. If you ever feel stuck, just remember you can always edit or add new topics whenever you like. Thanks for following along with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or tips for organizing group chats, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing your suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. See you in the next video.